Hi, I'm Monday Upper.
And I'm Nerdy Creations. Today we got a very special collab that we're doing together for Pattie Mail's birthday. Yay!
Yay!
Pattie is one of our very, very good friends on our YouTube Facebook group that we do collabs with every week. And her birthday is tomorrow. So we're doing this today. And when you see it, it'll be her actual birthday. And we thought we really have to do a special thing for her because she is such a good friend to us. So her favorite stuff that we know of are pretty high fashion stuff like Gucci and Louis Vuitton. She also loves the color pink. And as far as we can tell, she loves gold, studs and stuff like that, and sparkles. So we've thought about it, and we think we've come up with some cute nail designs that we're going to show you now.
I used this pink, Pepe Le Fuchsia, and the clear coat.
And she did that on all of her nails.
Yep.
And then for mine, on two, oh, you can see that. On two, I used this silver called Silver Sweep by Sally Hansen, and the white is the Sally Hansen Extreme Wear. Oops, sorry. White on. And I did that on 3 nails. Alright, Handy Helper snuck off for a minute to take a little break. So on my silver nails, I'm just going to put this nice silver glitter that Handy Helper used, the Locket by Ciate. Because like Handy Helper said, every nail needs glitter. Here's the first one. And the second one. I'm going to let these dry and I'll come back to them in a little bit. Alright, on my white nails, I'm going to be using 3 different pinks by Sally Hansen. This one is Pink Blink, and Watermelon Wizz, and Razzmatazz. And that's one of the Crayola ones. And I'm just going to kind of splotch these on, kind of randomly. On my white nails, I've already prepped them with some tape to try to keep this from becoming a huge mess. I kind of got it kind of splattery there. And I'm just going to push down like that. I'm not really moving the sponge a lot because I don't want these to blend too much. Because I'm kind of going for more of a splotchy sort of look. Kind of like that. What do you think, Handy Helper?
Yay!
She came back. So that's the first one. I'm going to splotch some more on here and do the next nail. Not too bad. Kind of getting to the end of that bottle. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So I gotta let those dry for just a minute and I'll come back to them. Alright, my silvery glitter nails are dry. I'm gonna use a couple of these lighter purple rhinestones on them because Patty's birthday is in June and June is Alexandrite. So I'm gonna put on a pretty good dose of clear coat. Get in there and pick up a rhinestone, put it right there by the cuticle. And just to make sure it's sealed in, I'm kind of going around the gem with my clear. There's the first one. I'll do the same thing with the other one.
I did not know that. Is it? How do you pronounce it?
Alexandrite.
Alexandrite was the rhinestone for June.
It's the birthstone for June.
Birthstone.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Yep, kind of like blue topaz is for December for you. Alexandrite is for June. Pearl's the other one, but I'm not overly fond of pearls, so I'd rather use Alexandrite. So there's those two. Alright, these are dry enough. I can go ahead and put this clear on to smooth it out. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to use this Bundle Monster H19 plate. I'm going to use that image right there. And then the happy birthday. First, I'm going to stamp with the white. I'm going to put this bow image. It looks kind of like a present on all of the nails. Pink nails, sorry. All the pink nails. Oh, my handy helper is not helping me.
Ow.
Just not get my tape ready there.
Got it.
Thank you. That one's not quite dry. Use this one. There you go. Alright, I got the presents on there. Now I'm going to put the happy birthday. And I'm going to try to get just the words. I don't want the little bow since there's already bows on those nails. But if a bow happens to get on there, I can always take it off with a piece of tape.
Tapes.
Which my handy helper is not handing them to me. It's not very helpful. I want just right there. There we go.
Now.
And now I'm going to go ahead and
There got it.
clear coat every nail. Every pink nail. I keep saying every nail, but I mean every pink nail. There we go. Alright, here's my final set. Here's our final sets. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday, Patty!